So the brand sent me out this bracelet that we're going to be doing a review and test on, in which I received this product as a gift that we are going to put this to a test to. So without going further, let's open this up and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so let's open this up and we're going to show you guys more in detail about this bracelet. So the first thing you get inside is that it's a card where it says, always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. A motivational card that you could give to your family member or your loved one. If you are wanting to give this bracelet to someone, then this card is perfect for that. Let's put this aside and show you guys the bracelet itself. This is a 7mm bracelet, and one thing I love about this bracelet right over here is that it is stainless steel quality, and it's perfect to wear for my wrist. And if you have a bigger wrist, then I would definitely recommend to size up as well, and they have different sizing and options for that. But one thing I love about it is that the quality is really high quality. It feels very nice when you hold it as well, stainless steel. And we are going to test fit this on and show you guys more in depth about it. But it also comes with a bag as well too. So for example, if you're not going to wear this, you could store it up and keep it inside. That way it doesn't get any dirt and debris on it and it stays inside and safe. And that's a huge plus for them to provide the bag. But what we're gonna do now is that we're going to wear this bracelet and show you guys how it is when I wear it on my wrist. Okay, so this right over here is how it is when you wear the bracelet on. It's really simple to wear, and you just, you see this hooks right over here. You just, open it like that and slide inside, and then just, press it inside and just hooks on like that. And I just love how it feels. The stainless steel quality feels very nice. It's a 7mm in size. You can size up if you want, depending on your wrist size. But for me, it fits perfectly, and it's very good to have for fashion wise, or if you're trying to gift a bracelet to someone, to like a family member, someone like that. I would definitely recommend this product and this stainless steel chain. So if you're looking for a stainless steel chain to give to a family member, or you are wanting to wear for yourself, and it's for fashion wise, then this chain right over here from this product is by far one of the best chains that you could get to wear on your wrist.